Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student REEGAN. He got placed in a company. Now he is going to share experience about PySpiders Rajajinagar.
First of all, good morning. I'm really glad to inform that I joined this institute. In this institute, for me, basically I don't know anything about Python when I entered in this institute, but my trainer Keshav sir really trained me well, and right now I am very good in Python. In Python, I got good mock ratings, and Murali sir, he taught me SQL. SQL, I am really good in SQL, and in interview also they asked me write subqueries to find the second largest salary, like that. So in SQL I don't have any problems, and right now I am studying Django with Alex sir. He is teaching wonderfully. In Django there are many difficulties, but when sir is teaching that, I don't face any difficulties. Till now I am fine with Django. I need to thank everyone in this institute. They are well-wishers. They trained me very well. That's all.
Okay. How was the boot camp and mock interviews?
Boot camp. I need to mention that boot camp is really helpful for us to improve communication. It is to explain a concept more repeatedly. It is when we are repeating the same concepts, it keep on repeating. I can't able to forget anything. I can able to easily remember everything when I am attending interview. Really, boot camp is important to improve communication and to gain the technical knowledge.
Okay. I wish all the best for you, further career and growth.
Thank you.